All right, gang, if you got some young kids and you've picked up one of those little golfing sets of golf clubs, you know very quickly that you will lose the golf ball that comes with it, and that's where these come in. This is a 6-pack of replacement golf balls by Botabee, and simply put, I think you should check these out. They're a little bit higher quality than a lot of the golf balls that come with these Toddler play sets. They're still a plastic, but they're really durable plastic. They are oversized, they're about 2 inches, and the most important thing is they come in a 6-pack. So if you have a toddler that just hits these all over, loses them in the yard, you got a dog that takes off with one of these and chews it up, it may have happened in our house a time or two. Man, I think you want to go ahead and grab a set of these. Great to keep on hand, have a little bit of replacement there for your kids. Again, if you got toddlers or young kids with a little bit of a fun toy golf set, man, pick these up ahead of time, have them stored away so that you can have replacements anytime they need them. Check them out. They're made by Botabee.